Alright, so watch this 10-second clip and tell me if this is something you have only seen in high-quality anime production music. Well, if the answer to my question is yes, then you will be surprised to know that this is an AI-generated video from a tool called Kaiber AI. Now to give you a shock, music artists are using the same tool for their videos for storytelling. Just to name a few: Linkin Park and Kid Cudi, their studio albums like Meteoro and Intergalactic, as you can see here on their website, used this tool to generate the art. Now to make this short and simple, let's get into how you can navigate and use Kaiber AI for your own intended purposes. All we need is to type Kaiber AI in the browser search bar, and there, as you can see, the overall aesthetics are just beautiful. Then you just need to click on Start New Trial, and then basic information to fill it, and then you will be in. Simple as that. Unfortunately, you cannot use the results from this tool for commercial purposes on a free plan, but the paid plan is only $5, so we will go through that later in this video. Let's talk about their product cost. You can check all the features on here. Here they even have this audio feature where a beat can sync in with your animations, which I think is pretty cool and saves a lot of time in editing process. Now let's go to the gallery and look at these. These are recent results created from other users on this platform, same as Midjourney and Alert.ai, and these look amazing. Look at this one, I mean, come on. Another great thing about this tool is that you can use these prompts yourself and delete things around to create your own videos. So before we generate our own video, let me show you this tool being used in Linkin Park and Kid Cudi's albums. If we go to Kaiber Studio, here you can see their YouTube videos synced, and let me show you a few clips here without any music because I don't want to get copyrighted. I mean, these are just mind-blowing and they are not super hard to generate, as I'm about to show you, and you can check these ones out yourself after this video. Alright, so time to generate our own little video, so let's get into it now. All you need is to click on Create New Video on the upper right hand corner, and then here you can see the prong filler with two different options. One is the image you want to create, and second is what kind of style the video is going to be. But let me type cowboy steering into the sunset with his horse, music, and walking towards the sunset into Rocky Mountains. Weather is constantly changing, and also you gotta have a photo already installed and uploaded related to your prompt. And for the prompt for the style, I'm gonna write Rockstar Games anime style, 4K Ultra HD Ultra Realistic. And here you need to upload the photo that you want to turn into a video. Now once done, then click on Video Settings, and here you can select how long the video clip is going to be. I'm going to leave it at 8 seconds, and the camera movement for this video will be zooming out and how many times you want your animation to happen during those 8 seconds. So I'm gonna choose 6 seconds, which is not too fast or slow. And then you need to click on to preview frames and waiting for the images to be generated, and once done you can select which first frame you want to go for and the video is going to be generated according to that certain frame. All right, crafting your masterpiece, and voila, I mean this turned out pretty good. Except that the man on the side evolving to be a horse and then sitting on top of the horse. Now before you leave, let's check the FAQ out really quick to see how you can use this videos commercially to make money. Now if you go to the FAQ section and click on the user's rights questions here, as you can see, with free account the results are to be used for non-commercial uses, but with a paid account you hold full commercial rights over them, so you can monetize them if you have a paid plan. Now if you can check the pricing really quickly, as you can see only cost $5 per month, which obviously has its limitations in terms of how many videos you can generate, and that is the plan that I have. And yes, you do get a free trial for 7 days, and if you are not satisfied with this AI tool you can cancel the plan before those 7 days, and that way you're not gonna get charged. I think the cheapest plan is good enough to start. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please click on the like button and let me know what else you would like to see in this AI tool or any other AI tool. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.